To our top story that is going to be defining the news agenda. Days after Mumbai's former top cop Parambir Singh's letter accused Maharashtra Home Minister Anil Deshmukh of extortion, Maha Vikas Aghadi government has decided to stand by its Home Minister, putting speculation to rest over the resignation of Anil Deshmukh. In the crucial alliance meeting at NCP Chief Sharad Pawar's residence in the capital, the alliance partners came to a decision that Parambir's letter reeks of political conspiracy. NCP leadership in the meeting asked if Deshmukh resign, the BJP will level some other allegation against some other ministers. This is coming after Deshmukh told the party high command that no such incident has happened and termed Parambir's charges vendetta after his transfer.
He made allegations. It is a prerogative of the Chief Minister to take appropriate decision. And CM has full authority to take decision regarding allegations, inquiry about these allegations. Decision definitely मुख्यमंत्री की जिम्मेदारी है, वो लेंगे, हमसे बात करने के बाद लेंगे, हम इस पर डिस्कस करेंगे।
अनिल देशमुख की रेजिग्नेशन की कोई आवश्यकता नहीं है। हमारी एटीएस पूरा छानबीन के तपास कर रही है और हमें पूरा विश्वास है कि उसमें से हम कल्प्रिट कौन है वो जल्द से जल्द ढूंढ के निकालेंगे।
क्या अनिल देशमुख बने रहेंगे अपने पद पर?
देखिए, अनिल देशमुख बने रहेंगे नहीं बने रहेंगे मुख्यमंत्री बता सकते हैं। कैबिनेट के प्रमुख है, वो मुख्यमंत्री है। और सबने भी यही कहा ना कि निर्णय मुख्यमंत्री का होता है कि अपने कैबिनेट में किसको रखना है या किसको निकालना है, वो तो मुख्यमंत्री का अधिकार होता है।
संजय जी, ये भी कहा जा रहा है कि वसूली का धंधा चल रहा था और ट्रांसफर पोस्टिंग देवेंद्र फडणवीस ने कहा है कि पूर्व जो डीजी थे देशवाल, वो डेपुटेशन पे केंद्र में आए, उन्होंने भी आरोप लगाया कि पोस्टिंग का धंधा चल रहा था, ट्रांसफर पोस्टिंग।
देखिए, कौन क्या कहते हैं अपोजिशन के लोग, उसके ऊपर ध्यान नहीं देना चाहिए। अपोजिशन का धंधा होता है इस प्रकार के आरोप करना, यह उनकी रोजी रोटी होती है। अगर इस प्रकार से वो आरोप नहीं करेंगे, उनको कौन पूछेगा।
Ashutosh Mishra reporting from Delhi is now joining us. Ashutosh, you were right there at the press conference yesterday of Sharad Pawar. If you could just give us the key takeaways in terms of what the NCP's stance is vis-a-vis this entire issue. Obviously, they are never going to own up to any of these allegations. But how do they feel vis-a-vis Anil Deshmukh, given the fact that even Devendra Fadnavis has questioned how is it that there could be a fair trial that could be conducted if Anil Deshmukh still continues as the Home Minister?
Well, amidst of these valid questions that is being raised, the next 24 hours indeed going to be crucial. As Sharad Pawar yesterday said, there will be rounds of meeting with all the stakeholders, with all three parties together, and of course in the government as well. He also said that there was deliberation with the Chief Minister, not significantly what steps they are going to take against Anil Deshmukh. But categorically, Jayant Patil, when these two NCP leaders last late evening came to meet Sharad Pawar, categorically denied that there will be no resignation from Anil Deshmukh. So that seems to be the NCP's firm and standing with Anil Deshmukh. Subsequently, if you heard Sharad Pawar, he categorically blamed Parambir Singh. Also, BJP is raising all three issues combined together. Whereas Sharad Pawar making three isolated stuff, that Intilia terror case could be different. Whereas Parambir Singh, who also said that met Sharad Pawar, said that this is injustice interfering in my department or transferring me to Home Guard. But blaming Parambir Singh that he is the one who reinstated a tainted officer who was under suspension for more than 1.5 decades. It was him who brought him in the police department back. It was Parambir Singh who assigned him on a sensitive cases like one probe in this Intilia cases. So indeed it's a duty of Parambir Singh to take, and that's clearly what Anil Deshmukh also when level such allegations against CP. And also because whatever has happened, the letter that was shot by the former CP came in the light after he was transferred to the Home Guard department, and that's exactly what NCP is making an issue. That whatever allegations he leveled only after transferring to the Home Guard department, and not while being as the Commissioner of Police of Mumbai never raised this issue either with the Home Minister, either with the Chief Minister or any of the stakeholder. However, today what we know that there will be rounds of meeting or subsequently the eyes will be in Mumbai as well, what decision they are further going. But as far as Pawar's body language, what he said clearly, and the NCP leaders, what they said, that seems to be clearly that as of now, at the moment, NCP is not willing or willing at all as far as resignation of Anil Deshmukh is concerned.
All right, Ashutosh, stay with us. We'll continue coming back to you for more on this story. There's a mess. We're moving on now to the other big story that's defining the news agenda coming in from down south.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.